Acquit means to declare someone not guilty, freeing them from blame and discharging them completely. It also refers to how one conducts or behaves oneself. Understanding this term is crucial in legal contexts where judgments and personal conduct are evaluated. Discredit as a verb means to cast doubt or cause distrust, potentially harming someone's reputation. As a noun, it refers to a loss of belief or confidence. Understanding this term is crucial in contexts where credibility and trust are paramount. Generate means to bring something into existence or to be the cause of something. In various contexts, it can refer to creating ideas, producing energy, or initiating processes. Understanding this term is crucial for grasping how actions and innovations come to life, impacting both personal and professional realms. Ingratitude is the absence of thankfulness, often leading to strained relationships and missed opportunities for connection. Recognizing and addressing ingratitude can foster a more appreciative and harmonious environment, enhancing both personal and professional interactions. Ovation refers to an enthusiastic public welcome or an outburst of applause. It signifies appreciation and recognition, often seen in performances or public events. Understanding this term helps in recognizing the impact of positive public reception and its role in motivating individuals or groups. Plight as a noun refers to a difficult or unfortunate situation, often highlighting hardship or distress. As a verb, it means to pledge or promise solemnly, often used in formal contexts like vows or commitments. Understanding these dual meanings enriches our comprehension of its usage in various contexts. Reverie refers to a daydream or the state of being lost in thought. It often involves drifting into a pleasant, imaginative world, temporarily disconnecting from reality. This mental escape can foster creativity and relaxation, providing a break from daily stressors. Understanding reverie helps in appreciating its role in mental well-being and creative processes. Scan involves examining something closely or quickly but thoroughly. As a verb, it can also mean analyzing a poem's rhythm. As a noun, it refers to an examination. Understanding this term enhances our ability to interpret and analyze information effectively. Strife refers to a bitter disagreement or conflict, often involving fighting or struggle. It can manifest in various forms, from personal disputes to larger societal conflicts, highlighting the challenges in achieving harmony and resolution. Topple means to fall forward or to overturn, often leading to a downfall. This term is frequently used in contexts where structures, governments, or systems are destabilized or overthrown. Understanding topple helps in analyzing historical events and political shifts where power dynamics change dramatically.